Guys, I've been asked to apply for the YouTube partner program. Guys, this is good news. This is good news. This is good news. The journey is on, guys. The journey is on. YouTube has agreed that I've met all the requirements and it's time to get right on, guys. Tell me congratulations in the comments. It's not easy, guys. I was able to do this in 21 days. I was able to monetize this channel in 21 days, guys. I'm so excited right now. Really, really, really excited. Thank you everybody for subscribing to this channel, for watching my videos, for showing love, for commenting, for sharing. I really appreciate you guys. This would not have been possible without you guys. So thank you very much. If you are seeing this video, please congratulate me. Drop your congratulations in the comments. It's not easy, guys. This is good news, right? I decided to bring this here so that we can share this joy together, because in this video I'm going to be applying to the YouTube partner program with you guys. We're going to do this together. Okay, I'm going to show you step by step. I'll carry you guys along, because I mean, we started this journey together, guys, right? We started together. So I'm going to be applying in this video. Okay, in my next video, okay, I'll be showing you how I got eligibility. I'm not going to keep anything. I'll show you everything completely. So watch out for my next post, because I'm going to be showing you everything in that video, what I did and how I did what I did, guys. Is that even correct? I'm just so excited. So if you're looking forward to monetize this year, watch this video to the end and also watch the next one, because it's a very detailed video. I'm going to be showing you everything so that you can avoid all of the stress that comes with YouTube rejection. Okay, applying for this YPP is a dream come true for me, because I've wanted to do this for a very long time. Okay, I've been running this channel for some months now, and having this day come to pass is a plus, guys, and I'm really excited. I really thank God for it, and I thank you all my subscribers. So I want to also encourage everybody that is out there that is looking forward to sharing this joy. You will definitely share it. You hear me? You will share it. I remember watching people sharing how they applied for monetization. I'm just watching them like this, and I'm saying congratulations, and I'm happy and excited. I'm like, God, when is my turn? And today is finally my turn, and it's gonna be your turn tomorrow. You watching me? Yes, I'm giving you that assurance. I never thought it would even happen. You will not believe at first, but definitely, as far as you are putting work into your channel, after so much work, you will definitely get it. That's what I did on this channel. I put a lot of work, a lot of tips, tricks, strategies here and there, late night, afternoon, morning, a lot of work, and now it has finally paid off. So you watching me out there, this video is for you. So if you are seeing this video, please don't give up. And if it's your first time coming across my channel, my name is Joy. On this channel, I share tips about YouTube and how to grow your YouTube channel. Okay, everything that has to do with your YouTube channel is what I share here. So welcome, subscribe, and let us get to 10K. We just got to 1K recently. So guys, keep subscribing and keep watching these videos. Okay, I really appreciate all of you guys. It is with your encouragement, with your love and your support that we got this far. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you. If you are struggling with getting your 4,000 watch hours, drop it in the comment. Let me know how many watch hours you currently have. Okay, we already have a series that we're doing. Okay, I just said let me quickly chip this in, right? You know, let's chip it in. So we already have a series that we're doing to get 4,000 watch hours. Watch my previous video and all the subsequent videos to come. Okay, now I was actually notified to apply when I was at 3,000 plus, but I went to do my research. I watched some videos. I chatted with ChatGPT to see if I can actually start applying. So it just said I should hold on. So I waited, and early January it was completed. Okay, my 4,000 watch hours was complete. I think January 19th. Yes, that was when the watch hours was even completed and more than what I needed. But you know, as usual, it takes time to appear in the end section. So I had to wait for it to appear in the end section, right? And then while I was waiting, I was doing my research. I did not apply immediately. I was doing research, looking for what to do, how to arrange myself and prepare for YouTube, because I know they're going to check my channel and see everything I've done right and wrong as well, right? Now, YouTube was getting prepared for me, and so was I. So guys, I'm sorry, I'm just so excited. I have to share this story. You know how it is now. It's not easy. So if you see me sharing all of these stories, it's because of excitement and appreciation to you guys. So listen to this story. I will show you how I applied. So in my next upload, okay, I will also show you what I did, all right, before clicking apply, so that I don't end up getting rejected and being on the right track. Please, from now, I'll be sharing all of my experiences, all of the lessons I learned along the line. Please make sure you watch, so that if you are having any issues on your page, you can actually fix it before monetization and know what to do. All right, there are some things I did. All the research I'm talking about, I'll put it into video. It's too plenty. I cannot say it in this video. So guys, this is my YouTube studio. Okay, look at it right here. It says apply now, and then we go ahead and click on that. This is the first part, review based term. You have to read all the YouTube rules and regulation laws and just a bunch of policies. Okay, go through it. I cannot read everything here for you because of this video. You can go through it by yourself and then click on agree. I mean, who am I not to agree? I agree to everything, no matter the law. So I just clicked on it and I agreed. So I have to agree to every laws. Yeah, so it's still green. Then this is the next one, which is sign up for AdSense. If you have an existing AdSense, just say yes. But for me, I don't have, so I'll click on no, I don't have one. Okay, please don't create AdSense by yourself. Wait for this prompt before you start creating AdSense. It will redirect you from here and you create it easily, and it will easily link to your account, right? So he asked me for my email over here, and I just picked the email that is associated with my YouTube channel. Look at it, has started processing. Okay, AdSense information, another set of rules. I read it and then I agreed to all the laws and the policies. Okay, so from there it's loaded and brought out my personal informations. Okay, my name was there automatically because of my channel name. So please, anywhere you see name in AdSense and verification, use your legal name, the one you have on your ID card. Okay, as you can see, it's asking me what kind of account I have, if it's individual or corporation. I'm just an individual, so I choose individual. For you, if it's just you, you can go ahead and choose according to how it is. Okay, now all of this is just personal informations, and just go ahead and answer your address you can easily use to receive mail from YouTube, preferably. Okay, and the address in your government owned ID card that you are using for the verification, because the time will come when you'll be needing it. So anything you feel here, it has to be true and has to be in your ID card and all of that. Okay, they ask you for your suburb. These are areas that you can actually point to, like close to where you stay, you understand, or where you stay, so that it can be easy to track you when they want to send your pin, in case you are using the offline verification process. Okay, so this is basically just personal information and filling. You put your phone number, and then after you are done, you just go ahead and click on next. That's all I'm doing right here, guys. So after clicking on next, yeah, all your AdSense has been created. All you have to do from this point is wait for notification that it has successfully connected to your YouTube. So please make sure you enter all the correct spellings, the correct details of your government ID card according to how it's arranged in this your AdSense. It's very important, okay? Please, so you don't have any issues later on. So look at it. It says number 2 is in progress. Guys, you've seen how I applied, right? I hopefully pray that everybody that is expecting monetization will also do their celebration video, and I'll be right there to also celebrate and congratulate with you. So if you are yet to write a congratulations, write it in the comments and share so others can also get motivated with this. So guys, after my AdSense was approved, it took approximately 7 days. I applied on a Sunday night and later found out that applying during the weekend actually makes it slower. And I was like, oh my god, I shouldn't have applied during the weekend. I started worrying myself, and it was crazy, guys. But eventually, one week later, I got accepted, and my AdSense got linked to my YouTube. And in just a few hours after that time, before early hours of Monday morning, I saw this message, congratulations, drum rolls, guys. I was accepted, and yeah, I'm going to be giving you all of the gist from this point. Okay. So guys, now that we've been accepted, the next thing we will do is to read all of the terms and conditions, and we start turning on everything that needs to be turned on. So watch my screen recording while I do that, okay? So this is the message I got after my AdSense was approved, that I can now go ahead after the review, okay? That I've opened ways to earn. I should go ahead and set it up. So I just clicked on get started and all of that, and I was redirected from this point to the YouTube dashboard in the desktop site. Okay, so that's where you can see all of the features and set it up completely without any issue. So if you are using a phone or a laptop, to redirect you, or you can just go straight to your YouTube dashboard. Okay, now this is all the features when I clicked on monetization. All right, this is the watch page. This is the watch page ads. That's the first one. That's the one that shows in your videos and your live stream. Okay, so we're going to be setting it up and turning it on. That's basically all we're going to do here. Just click on get started and it will open for you. Okay, so all you have to do basically is just to follow instruction, turn on everything from here. Okay, this watch page ads is what shows in your videos, making you have ads. So as immediately choose that show mid ad rules, it will show everything in your channel. So these are the rules and the regulations that govern this watch page ads. Just click on OK after reading, because if you don't say OK, I'm not sure you can use the feature. Now click on this show mid-roll ads in my videos. So all of your videos you've posted before now, including your live streams and your shorts, everything will automatically start showing the monetization feature or playing ads. That's what this particular feature does for you when you click on it. And then just click on save. Anything you do, remember to always save. Okay, now go to one of your video just to confirm and see. Are you seeing the monetization logo showing already? Everything is green. So in order for you to verify, because you have to turn it on to make sure everything is working well, click on a particular video, just like as I'm doing right now. Click on the monetization parts of that video and click on show mid-roll ads on my videos. Okay, when you click on it, because most times it will not show here, it will not show here. Why you are doing this place is for you to be able to add your own mid-roll ads. Do you understand? You can actually manually add to it after doing this. So that's the essence of adding to this place. Because imagine a 10 minutes video, only one ad is not enough. So you can manually add from here. And when you are done, you just go ahead and you save it. Always save. Don't be in a hurry. If you don't save, it will go back to default settings. Okay, so we are done with that. The next thing we're going to do is the short page ads. This one shows short adverts in your shorts. It shows this one plays ads for your short. Okay, it enable people watch your short and you get money paid for it. In case of people that post a lot of shorts, so just go ahead and read all of the rules again. It's just the same procedure basically. Okay, read all of the rules and click on save, and your short will start showing um monetization logo as well, just the same way we did for the videos. If you don't turn this on, you will not earn on your short. The one we did before is for only videos and your live streams. Okay, this one is for short. Now this is membership. We'll just go over to membership, and I had to flip my screen because I wasn't even seeing it properly. These are all the perks of membership, like the benefits. Okay, you just settle down and read it. But if I'm going to read it in this video, 30 minutes will not be true with this video. So I'm just in a hurry so that you guys will see everything I did. But this is basically everything. These are just the benefits of being a member of my channel. So please, if you are seeing this, I would love for you to be a member of my channel. Now we have members only video. I had to add that for my channel members, okay? And then I saved it. This is just the benefit of being a member of the channel and all of that. I just go ahead and click on next when I'm done. Okay, now the next thing is the membership levels. Okay, these two levels is what YouTube choose for me. As you can see, recommended for you. The 3 and the 4 did not look at it. Recommended based on your channel, and I'm like, is YouTube, they know better for my channel, so I had to accept that two levels membership, and I clicked on next. So they asked me to actually name it. So these are all of the features that the membership contains. Okay, I just agreed to all of the terms, and I basically just saved it. You always have to agree to all the terms, and don't forget to save it so that you don't start up again next time. Do you understand? Click on confirm, and I already finished with this membership. So if you are seeing my video, please show love and support and become a member. I have a lot of good perks for you. Okay. So yeah, that's it guys. That's for the whole setup thing. So from here I went to back to settings. Okay, I went back to settings. I went from here, we now went to super chats. Okay, as you can see, that's the last thing. All I did was just turn it on. Okay, now I went back to settings, and I have to set up this monetization. Go to upload default and scroll sideways to that monetization. As you can see right there, you need to turn this setting on. A lot of people forget to do this. Show mid-roll ads during my videos. Click on it and turn it on, and then go ahead and save it. You have to complete the monetization process or the features with this particular settings. Is very important. You've seen it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining my channel. Thank you for subscribing. So you've seen membership, you can as well join membership. So guys, thank you for watching. In my next upload, please watch out for it. Okay, I'm going to be sharing how I became eligible, and another update I'll be sharing how or what I did before I became eligible, like how I actually did channel auditing. Okay, guys, stay around guys, and thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.